Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, I want to first say hello, welcome. I am Nisha and I got a crying child in the background that I gotta tend to, so let me do this intro really quick. Mom life right here. Okay, I decided for today and for the next maybe 4 or 5 videos, I'm dedicating the next palettes to Instagram. So these are not brands that's well known as in they're not in Sephora, they're not in Ulta. These are the Instagrammer palettes and brands that I want to of course showcase to you guys, because I'm a sucker for Instagram. I love me some Instagram, so I'm always on there. So what up? So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, be sure to do that. That is makeup_by_Nisha. Follow your girl on IG. But today we are going to be doing a look using this beautiful palette. This is called the Summer Skies, and this is by the brand Fearless Belle. And like I said, this is a Instagrammer. She's also a YouTuber as well. She has a beautiful family vlog channel that I absolutely love. So this is going to be my second palette of hers. This is my second palette of hers. I have other products and stuff that's from this line. So I have on her lashes. She has really good lip products as well. I just didn't try them out today because I couldn't find my neutral lip that I have from her. But anywho, enough of the rambling. If you guys want to see how I got this look using this pretty palette, then of course keep on watching. All right, so we're going in with this palette. This is called Summer Skies, and this is by Fearless Belle. And this is what she looks like. I had to tilt her from a certain angle. My eyeshadow came broken when it was delivered. I am going to start off with this brown. I want this brown in my crease, and then I'm going to blend it out with the black. The back, I love the fact that being that this is a rainbow palette, I love the fact that she put a white eyeshadow in here, a brown and a black. She was thinking of the Melanie complexion when she made this palette. So that is very, very appreciative for the simple fact that these colors are in this palette. Did I forget to take, I forgot to wash my brushes last night. I did. I want to build this brown up. I want to see how deep and vibrant it is. It looks really good on the brush. So I'm just going to pat it on first. Oh, this is a really good brown. Wow. It looks, this brown definitely has a red undertone to it. This is a really pretty brown though. Alright, and now with a different form of a brush, I'm going to soften up this brown just a little bit. So I'm not going to go with anything on the brush yet. I just want to blend it out first. And now I'm going to take a little bit of that same eye color, and I'm going to go around the edges and make sure that I buff and blend this out correctly. And like I said, I'm going to take that black eyeshadow. I want to take more of a detailed crease brush. This is my Morphe 506 brush. And now I just want to get right in my crease with this black. I don't want to lose any of that brown, so that's why I'm taking such a small detailed brush. And I'm just going back in with that brown shade, and I'm just going to blend the two colors out. And now what I'm going to do is remove the stencil, fill in my cut crease, and come back. Today I went in with Glam Light on its own. The Glam Light icing is a little bit more harder to work with, so I had a hard time filling this in because it's a lot more stickier than Julia, and plus she dries up really, really fast. So it's hard for me to move her properly. It is what it is. We're gonna leave it like that. Alright, so I'm gonna try to use as many colors as possible in this palette. Y'all know when I'm trying a palette out, I try to do that to get the full feel of it out. And being that this is an all matte palette, there ain't no shimmers So I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna do for my inner popper. I know I need my inner popper, okay? So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is, let's go in with this pretty lime green color. And my inner, but not all the way in my inner because I'm gonna leave a little bit out. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do for my inner popper. So I'm gonna leave very little of it out. And the brush I'm using right now is not a good, as that green is a little hard to pick up. I don't know if it's my brush, it can be that, but even doing a finger swatch, I feel like it is a little hard to pick up. So I'm gonna move on to the next shade. Go in with this pretty orange color right here. This one is much better. This is a lot more creamier. This one is much better. Looking at it, I'm like, this green and orange is not gonna go. I'm going to mix one more color in between to make the transition and the fading much better. I'm gonna go in with this yellow. Yellow is a lot more easier to pick up too. Oh, that looks much better, okay. This yellow is pretty. It's just that green eyeshadow that was hard for me to pick up. But the yellow and the orange and all the other colors, perfect. Came out really nice. I'm looking like a bag of something fruity. Definitely getting fruity vibes from this. This is not a fall look because it's so tropical, but I'm a bright girl. I like doing bright looks like this, so. And I've been giving out a lot of like fall inspired looks anyway, so it's okay if I do a little color. So now that I have the colors on, they look pretty good, blended out and everything. I'm just gonna go over one more time with this yellow. So this is like the center color, making sure that these colors are really blended. And I feel like I have more yellow on this side. And then I'm gonna go back in with that black just to clean up the outer part. Then I'm gonna bring more of that brown, which is, honestly, it doesn't look like a brown. There's a little bit more of a red tone to it. I just wanted to show you guys before I pop them on. I realized I forgot that I have a pair of her lashes as well from the same brand, Fearless Belle. And the style of them, I don't know because there's no name of them. I don't know. I will have to look on her Instagram account, but this is what they look like if my camera wants to focus. Yeah, nice lengthy long lashes. Okay, so I did I was debating if I was gonna show you guys my face, but I felt like you guys already did seeing it. But I was thinking, like, just in case someone new comes in and they're tuning in the video for the first time, let me just include it. So there is a timestamp. I can skip over this part if you want. But I already went in with different products today. I went in with a different poreless moisturizer. This is the blue Balance one. It's good for wrinkles. I don't have wrinkles, but it's good for wrinkles, okay? I just want to put it out there. And it definitely hydrates the skin, so it's really good. And I do have a coupon code. If you guys want to check them out, it will be linked down in the description box. And then for my primer, I just went in with my e.l.f. Putty Poreless Primer. And then I set my face with my Paradise Set by BH. And now for foundation, if you guys tuned in yesterday, I told y'all I'm going to be wearing this foundation for the next like 3-4 days just to fully get the feel of it. And I'm actually going somewhere today, so I get to fully like test out with the mask and see if it's like a good foundation. So I give you guys an update on that tomorrow. So I'm going to end with the Born This Way foundation, and I have the shade Sabo. Yeah, okay, that's what it looks like. And y'all, this foundation is matte, but it's really good. So I'm going to kind of sort of do that technique that I did in that Juvia look, the Juvia Violets, just a little bit. I'm going to set my sponge, and then I'm going to dip in with my foundation. I definitely forgot to put powder. Now that I'm thinking about it, I forgot to put powder. Okay, hopefully this still works, but I forgot to put powder underneath this. Parent teaching conference today with my daughter, and I'm over here trying to hurry up and rush. Plus I got to do some other things. Supposed to rebraid her hair as well today. I need to go to, probably won't go today because I got so much stuff to do, but I need to go to print out my labels from Shein because I need to take some stuff back. And I also need to try on my clothes that I just got from Shein, so I'll probably do all that tomorrow. But yeah, I got a couple of errands that I need to run today. So, and for my concealer, I'm going to go in with the Born This Way concealer because why not use the duo together? And I got her in the shade Mahogany, and this is a really good concealer. I'm going to let that sit for a couple of seconds. And then while that's sitting, I'm going to take another sponge, do the same technique, going to spray it. Alright, before I finish setting my face, I'm going to go to my under eye part. And I think I'm just going to use that black eyeshadow because I want it to be tropical, but not that tropical. I do color looks like this. I always feel like I got something similar to this already on my channel, but I be doing so many looks so I don't be knowing. So I might have something like this on my channel already, and I do apologize. Just have different colors though, but y'all seen something like this on here. Alright, I think I'm just debating on what color do I go with on my lash line. I think I'm gonna go in with that brown. Let's see what the brown looks like by itself. So I think the black would be too harsh. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna go in with the brown. I'm just putting some black in my waterline. And I'm gonna set the rest of my face and I'll be back. So I'm so distracted and I put on the wrong bra. Y'all, but I'm trying to hurry up. I don't have time to go upstairs and switch off a bra that ain't matching. Hopefully my hair will hide it. But anywho, I'm like, I can't even finish getting ready. Let me hurry up. Okay, on my lips. Y'all know I'm going with a nude lip. Okay, so I'm gonna do, okay, so I'm gonna go in with ColourPop BFF number 4. I have the perfect like Fearless Belle like lip gloss. I cannot find it. I need to clean my room, y'all. I keep telling myself I need to clean my room, but we're gonna go with a matte lip anyway because I gotta wear this face mask out. So I'm going in with this pretty Black Land Kiss Me lipstick, and this is in the shade Kiss a Latte. Ooh, gotta put that on. So this is gonna dry up matte. So while that does that, I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face. Let's go on with some blush, going in with no other than Hank and Henry. I think I'm gonna go in, where's my blush brush? Okay. I think I'm gonna go in with a nice soft color. I'm not really in the mood for blush today, surprisingly. I'm gonna go in with this pretty like orange color. Oh, can you not see? I done put on way too much. Ooh, baby. But that's okay. Good thing about these blushes, they are buttery, so they can blend out very easily. So I'm just gotta work that in. Okay, now look, I feel like I need a little bit more. All right, so I was like, oh, okay, I'm all done. No, y'all see my eyes? Where's my inner popper? Okay, we need some inner popper. So like always, gonna go in with J. LaRue, and then I'm gonna take that white eyeshadow that's in this palette, and I'm gonna pop her in the inner, but I'm also gonna put like this pretty like, I'm gonna show you. It's like a really like beautiful like, I can't even get the color out. It's called White Diamonds, and it's from a cosmetic line that doesn't exist anymore, but I still got it in my collection, so I want to use them. But it's just a pretty white like frosty pigment, so I don't want to go straight in with it at first because I don't want it to be that frosty, the snowman. So a little bit of that, and then I'm going to go in with this white shade. All right, and I'm going to pop that right in the inner. I totally forgot that this is going to have a little bit of fallout. Okay, I'll fall out, but I'll clean up in a minute. But this is what it looks like with the white eyeshadow. Y'all can see, where is my brush? Now I'm gonna go in with the pigment to show you guys the difference. So pretty. I'm gonna do like a finger swatch so you guys can see. This is just a finger swatch of it. It's such a pretty like color. I just got done washing my hands because I had makeup on them, but I'm just gonna pop the right and the end. Oh my god, baby. Yes, boo. Shine bright like a diamond. Set my face one more time. Alright, so this completes the look. This wig right here, I barely wear her because she is like fluffy. Is that the word? Poofy. She's like really big. Okay, so I had to recurl my curls on this hair unit because it don't look the same as if it did when it first came out of the pack. Anywho, y'all, this completes the look. I really do hope you guys like it. I'm giving y'all summer vibes in the fall time, yes. But the palette, my overall review on this palette, the payoff of the eyeshadows that I did try were actually decent. I won't say it was the best eyeshadow that I ever tried, but it's definitely a good formula for a good affordable price for this palette. I will say that green was still hard to pick up compared to all the other eyeshadows. So if you guys want to check out this palette, information will be down at the bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another banger. And yes, tomorrow is going to be another Instagram palette as well, so stay tuned because I have been waiting patiently to try this palette and I cannot wait. You guys have a beautiful day, stay blessed, amazing, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.